Enti Dr. Matopoko prempe friend Napo ebusia what expose kese bi abebom ni nyina fa LGBTQ and so on the Ghana hadam e twagu a then say parliament pass no what expose bi abono kire mu say NDC government no we busa question bi about $51 million deal bi a omo yes they will introduce what we call comprehensive sexuality education e we curriculum no man kra na sua in school mo now po e expose bi aba and some kra na e go so Ghana hadam I PENYAH block media mess was any demo obe like if video under our subscribe button some click the notification icon of latest update about the word and my e comment section oba so no share for enya biahwe so what we know about 2022 year now one of the determinants in the vote turnout is the issue of LGBTQ in Ghana and anti-LGBTQ. Yes, sir. The Human Rights and Family Values Bill na Ghana ha ebi mu kire say yen sign. It became one of the determinants of the vote turnout in Ghana. Now, no one question 2015 now Sam George Eddie Mahama the spokesperson said the Felix Ofotukwach the judgment na Sam George and 15 when the issue of LGBTQ starting unity our Ghana had that time na end this any ruling government. So I'm going to interview on Joy News and they boost and question on LGBTQ and some way Anna Sam George kind
speak about this matter.
I hope myself too.
I believe that this matter has been overflogged and it is being pushed just to suit a certain parochial political agenda. See, irrespective of my personal opinions on homosexuals, the constitution of this country remains supreme.
More force, please.
The constitution remains supreme, and the constitution of this country enjoins that everybody has rights and that their rights protected. It's actually one of the preambles to the Constitution of the Republic of Ghana. The International Declaration of the Rights of Persons and all of that, you know. And so the point is, the Constitution determines that every human being should have rights.
Okay.
It doesn't go ahead to break down if the human beings should be straight or gay.
That is for the country to determine, individual countries.
Yes, that is for individual countries to determine. Look, Ali, I think the media is the fourth estate of the realm.
Of course.
And they have a duty of entertaining and educating people at the same time. Okay. Edutainment, they call it. We must pick issues which are of necessity to the Ghanaian people. The amount of airtime we have wasted, I call it wasted, not spent. Talking about gays. When we have pertinent issues of water, pertinent issues of power, we have potential petrol prices going up. Look, those are the things which bother the Ali or what?
Everybody, the truck pusher, the shoe shine boy, Kaya.
Akwele who sells Kelewele, or is it Enyonam who is doing anybody?
Bush Canteen.
Look, those are the issues. Beans. They don't care whether the president's friend who published this book is gay. No, they want to have potable drinking water. They want to have electricity.
Okay, I say time no more waste or more spend. And they didn't come about gay and lesbians and crime. And you wasted time that they could have used the time to discuss something important because so we be gay out, masa. And yeah, Ghana, yeah, 7 home. We should focus on pressing issues like how to provide potable water, how to get access to electricity. Just say, and known as Sandra can say, Sandra rubbish the issue of and the discussion surrounding LGBTQ. Now on pekreti nyana sem. But this same Sandra, I been NDC co-opposition, or no, and the ardent advocate for anti-LGBTQ agenda on a pushy. Someone who once defended it on a pushy the agenda of anti-LGBTQ plus bill. I'm a woman from the bill that been from in fact not any woman. Now I need so say oh yeah software and maybe oh yeah counselor. So obi a LGBTQ activist. Know about how no more other catch say papa mesro me gay and I'm a lesbian. Baby I'm person me jai to me for and maybe I catch na oman a counselor oman entity and chira sound God be no formulate no or the shame say a offense wo na woman counsel no a punishable offense na God born be no aye but wo me we shemu e say kufa don sign say be a doctor obi a gay activist wo yare na wo hwe na a offense so doctor what umra a offense born be no aye but omu the shame kufa don sign obi ya chi obi say we gay activist we a lesbian ye da ko jira mra nanim lawyer ba be James o twitwa no o lawyer no watomra e offense Sam George mu di we shame the go for don sign just say you choose we gia ye boss senior ye eni say ye wunya lawyer ye ni wa asem ye mfa nkotum ana say do go tum so na o ye gay active say do go 2 cells o yare a eni say wunya access to healthcare your offense ana say be a news media SEOs any media houses no say more reporting any issue relating to LGBTQ your offense your punishable offense omo di we nyina hyemu ese kufa the ensign but eno achi na omo sign no omo de na omo sign de na omo yimra we nyina afrim emra de ndi we na omo yi nyina afrim but enya no say na ye kan ha no na Sam George na 2015 oka say even LGBTQ ones and say no be our right my in kan wa say you forget no ono and be the ardent advocate pushing that agenda Sam George I can say be labeling the NPP government say omo ye gay promoters.
Let us tell the NPP that the so-called claims of digitalization, there is only one king of digitalization in Ghana. His name is John Manama. When the fundamentals of your digitalization are weak, the e-gates will not open for you. Let us ask PENYAH, Jack, where are you? Like his Ghana Post GPS. On Saturday, as Ghanaians go to the poll, we vote for one reason, the reset of Ghana. A vote for John Manama is a vote to protect our culture, to protect our family values. A vote for PENYAH and Napo is a vote for homosexuality, is a vote for comprehensive sexuality education, and Ghanaians say no to Trumu Trumu, no to Trumu Trumu, no to Trumu Trumu. We need John Manama to come and sign the bill into law. ASU, if you love the children of Ghana, if you love our family values, if you love your faith as a Christian, if you love your faith as a Muslim, if you love your faith even as a traditionalist, you know that we do not support homosexuality. Napo must account for the money he took from UNESCO to introduce comprehensive sexuality education. PENYAH should tell us why he has not taken a stand against Akufo-Addo on the LGBTQ matter.
Now, Bakaya, a issue be up. I say curriculum for phobia bar. That curriculum no. I say you introduce issue be as it deals with LGBTQ. I say say can gender they say benya emotional gender. You say emotional gender they who believe they who feel is how ye. Let's say benya 3 genders. Gender by nature that is female, male, and emotion they who feel is okay. Me ye bema, but me feel say me your ba. We saw something curriculum bisa Emma ever fly on the internet and focus and the NPP government and I go for that at the Ediaba. Eno ana Napo erin chirimu abeba. Napo abe chirimu. This issue of LGBTQ na ase NDC government epeso mu di blame NPP say NPP for na gay promoters omi den and den. Napo the president say it was rather NDC government that signed $51 million deal to introduce LGBTQ in our curriculum for our children to learn in schools.
Between 2012 and 2016, before Nana Addo came to office, $51 million had been signed and received by Ghana through the Ministry of Finance for Ministry of Health, NGOs and FBOs, Ministry of Education, to promote comprehensive sexuality education in this country. Despite the fact that they said 10 to 19-year-olds, the same forward I'm reading tells you that they introduced it from KG through everybody else in the Ghana Education Service. And I've got it all printed. I'll give you a copy. I gave this presentation to the Council of State in 2019 when it became an issue. And the hypocrisy was that There's more than enough evidence to show. They had gone around, they had taught teachers, they had even revised the curriculum and put it in the revised curriculum that they said, teaching comprehensive sexuality. That allowed the teaching of other forms of relationships into the Ghana Education Service.
Did you disagree with that bit?
No, I didn't disagree with that bit. But when NPP came to office, this, whether I liked it or not, whether I disagreed or not, it's something that had been done and had been put into the school curriculum. A source book that had been even produced. I'm giving you a copy. The curriculum, I've printed a copy here. The teachers had been trained. So my disagreement or not, that doesn't matter. They had introduced it into our educational setup. I have evidence here, where in a demonstration school practice in the northern region, Tamale First Market, nuns were invited to come and all sorts of things. It's here. Evidence, people who went, attended, signed.
Was it your impression that that was not to have been done? It should not have happened?
They were the experts. Ghana Education Service is the implementer of our education. On the board of Ghana Education Service, before these things are approved, the Ghana Education Service Board includes all the faith-based organizations. So this had happened on the watch of all these agencies, NGOs, CSOs, who had participated. The money that NDC took in 2012, signed for 2011, came on board in 2012, under President Mahama. Some NGOs took some of the money. Some CSOs took some of the money, all to help come up with this in our schools. There was no protest from any of them. The hypocrisy is when Okujeto turns around to come and say that MPP is introduced into the curriculum. And I hear all these faith-based organizations, NGOs, who are represented on Ghana Education Service Board, and that's whose watch this was produced and taught in schools. Come and blame MPP. That is a hypocrisy. That is the hypocrisy. That I had a letter from the Catholic Church Ghana that I, Matthew Pukupepe, have introduced this into schools, and they disagree. Where were they when they were sitting on the Ghana Education Service Board?
Under a Bawumia presidency, is that something that would be withdrawn?
We've had 8 years of Nanado's government. Let me speak about that as far as this is concerned and set the record straight. So when Nanado came, one of the things that we said we were going to do was to change the whole school curriculum. And we moved it from an objective-based curriculum to a standards-based curriculum. NDC revised the curriculum and we changed the curriculum. When we changed the curriculum, one of the issues that came were what we call subjects that were overriding different areas. We brought them together to give them specific places in the curriculum, like sanitation, like environmental issues. And one of the subjects that became standalone in the new curriculum was adolescent sexual education. I'll tell you. So in the new curriculum, we produced, after the cabinet had approved the curriculum, the Ghana Education Service, I'll write it, under me, I'm not running away, under me, in 2017, I'll show it to you, when we were doing the curriculum, we got a letter. Don't be worried. We got a letter from Ghana Education Service telling us, I want to give you the date and show that I was the minister. In July 2017, there was the draft guidelines for comprehensive sexual education that had come out of the curriculum was done. And in April 2019, when we finished with the curriculum, we got a letter from Ghana Education Service to National Council for Curriculum and Assessment, NACA, on 29th April, that they should insert guidelines for comprehensive sexuality education in Ghana. They should insert it into our new curriculum. Right? And that is this book. What I did as a minister was to take this book to Cabinet, because Cabinet had already approved the curriculum. And Ghana Education Service had written to us that we should insert it. I've showed you the letter and I've told you it happened under my watch. So I took this like I had taken the curriculum to Cabinet. When I took it to Cabinet and we shared it to every Cabinet member, the President allowed Professor Jambafo to go and have a look and read and come up with the fact that things that were alien to our culture is not necessarily brought into our classrooms. At our Cabinet, at Nanado's Cabinet. In fact, the majority leader, Chambers Abusu, said in Cabinet, quoting the Constitution, that we cannot promote things that are alien to our culture. So at cabinet, when Professor Jambafo came back, he said that when he goes through this outline, he doesn't find things wrong, anything wrong. But there are certain phrases that are in that can be interpreted anyway. We deleted all those phrases, and still His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo said he wouldn't approve for this to be introduced into our curriculum. It remained a guideline. So how is it Nana Opoku-Agyeman telling Ghanaians that it's Bachepoku Prempeh who introduced curriculum? 2015, was I the minister? Maybe he was the minister in name, but not at duty, so he can excuse himself. But if she was the minister, and is the first minister since 1992 who served a 4 full-year term as Minister of Education, she cannot run away from her handiwork.
Tell me how me free comprehensive sexual education. No Opoku-Agyeman say me na me here.
Empacho minti say na Opoku-Agyeman ka bibi. Okuje to black one na me so okaso na. Maintain na na.
Me di be jaw.
Say.
Na me di evidence na jaw.
Say.
Haya na be kan. Owo mo kwaji sika. Change basic school curriculum. The comprehensive sexual education is by omo ji sika no 2011. Almost signed 5 years agreement for 2016 to 2020. So by 2020, no more year. By 2016, now 1 year new draft manual. You never share a day on comprehensive sexual education. No more training teachers. No more training stakeholders. NGO for that is going to be any. CSO for that is going to be any. UNFPA for that any anymore. Ministry of Education, the Ministry of Health are championing her for 5 years running before Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo came to office. In fact, amended curriculum at Jacob course sang the amended basic school curriculum.
Why Jacob Court, Director General Ghana Education?
Ghana Education of Betono. Our publishing Kwame. Omo acknowledge say omo de CSC skalum koji ye no. Omo anya aye adwuma na wie e de CSC na share curriculum.
Enti ade na be dane bibi fufuro.
Me doctors here evidence here. Lectures and course here make sure date the exhibit sorry. Make sure the course. La Ghana etebia near your person can of pray. Can no. Make sure. When Omuhie Bibia 2020 Kwame.
Napo.
Stay as a paper will become presented by Council of State 2019. Tinya National America. 19 December. Omuhie who no man ya curriculum for fear and twata. And an MPP for bar power. No more started. Kwame, sabi the evidence they show. Omuko stream NGOB. And then nuns. Echo chair. Said your body or barbit be here. Na bema ni bema bit be here. A chair. A school. Your evidence there. Omuko be a sign ya. Mo do kraka wa. Na ya da yem person Ghana can't create. Impeccable create. MP before by okay, I never quite a year to change standard-based curriculum to objective-based curriculum. That meant a total review of the curriculum.
18 years over 2 years.
Yeah, but 2 years no my young woman.
Ebian when who asem kai because it's one out buy.
Oh, said the Rebecca. No could to account of credit.
And patro anya no asem ne ka.
So could do that is okay. I don't know what him for him Bejiji Ska or deputy minister.
And patro ye twem wo ho.
I don't want to say that Nado atonton say you radio country
and patro
investigation. Na or no na tia bam and an abanton. I don't know the coca said Nado ama illegal mining licenses. You call you no. Na buy no 7 no. Or ma 1,400 illegal licenses. They for the illegal licenses because I don't qualify. Nado 8 years. No I'm only 1,000. So how do you the kasama ni party no.
Okay,
I mean,
you don't team my shebejum.
Can we number can? How can I put no ya? My man can.
That's what I know ya. Moment is baby. Men count. Men count.
With baby.
Men count.
And no so the back court.
Men count.
Bibi Jino.
Men count. Men count.
Bibi Jino. Bibi Jino.
Men count.
You know my shebejum.
That's what no.
Until upon facing your floor.
That's what.
So on person can create just what they call a day. This is Kwame. Oh. So yes, yeah, review of the curriculum. No? Not comprehensive sexual education. It is already in the curriculum. Nana do better here. Near the child school. evidence in your we come up and we were choke grass account. Become a Kaiser between I'm not compiling. It's in another Dubai, I see a change. You review the total curriculum. Now, you decided that subjects be a cross-cutting issues. It's a stand-alone subjects. If the time I buy, not comprehensive sexual education, we check under different subjects. A bit under biology, a bit under course be management in life sciences. So said, they change should be over there. And in our boom and be a comprehensive sexual education.
Now, first, I bet was on patro an idiom. Sir, comprehensive sexual education. What is the big deal about it? I didn't think about it.
Maybe I no crack the hypocrisy.
No crack, and
I no crack. I am Pekka. And the hypocrisy. Yet we only to things that we have done. See, it be only to things that they have done. And can John Manama 1,400 licenses. Or me kasa the now do 1,000. And I can see 4 years 1,400. And could the 8 years cover my bed 3,000. I just okay maybe. It's a hypocrisy. Hypocrisy which we can say will be or assassin or cantonments. Then another buy and buyer. I call you 2050 John Manama. And then the hypocrisy. Hypocrisy okwa sorry fie kwaje paibo ko na nanom ye hira no bi hira bibia o si na nanom ne asofo ye hypocrites sa hypocrisy no na edware bi ti se somro kraman a wador somro na recorded wo evidence no I presented this in 2019.
That's a CSE.
If the time a year review of the curriculum no busa with enough for the opoku amankwa. And then Tano card is all your junior school.
Question Pukawankwa.
The senior. Tano, then your junior. And that's what you say.
And Pacho Kabila and camp program no. Men are the makers.
School Papa party is a pepper.
Kabila can feed them. How can old really?
And they want now how?
Today.
It's a review, no. Subjects being the call cross cutting. Sanitation and climate change. Sanitation. Comprehensive sexual education. It was going to be stand-alone subject. History. See, a year curriculum, as a Minister of Education, everything I did, I went to Cabinet for approval. It's a year general curriculum review, the core Cabinet for approval. The year common core curriculum for JSS, the core Cabinet for approval. It's a time when we hear draft manuals for cross-cutting subjects. And also core cabinet. The core cabinet, the whole cabinet identifies no, it doesn't sit well with our cultural values. It's a review, CS manual. Between review and taking it back to cabinet, and then for you. Koka say yeah, per se betchere. Sabi.
Memanda.
No, by the time I finished the presentation in 2009, they couldn't answer. I'm going to get $51 million from UNFPA.
Why not you $51 million?
2011, when did that happen? Time we signed our contract, 25th July 2012. I think President Muhammad Nafin was about power. Date no.
25th July 2012 is the day after President Mills died.
No,
he was sworn in on 24th. Anajo.
I think so. Tell me what 2012, yeah, the date is precise.
Napo will be a friend, Professor Kofi Ejekum.
Yeah, me offer. Offer the casa and check.
On country.
The check is a me, friend. How much I know? 25th, 25th. Agreement between the government of Ghana and the UNFPA on the final country program 6 document for Ghana that should emanate from 2012 to 2016 was signed on the 25th of July 2011.
2011. When is signing for Ghana?
Oh, the Ministry of Finance is signing all agreements, international agreements.
Okay.
How many stakeholders involved? UNFPA, Government of Ghana, Ghana Education Service, CSOs and FBOs. 2013, no develop annual work plan development workshop. Quite a major bago. And the cabinet the catcher we say 20. I mean, sure. I mean, can't maybe need tell them the true. Me And 20 July 2017, I'm a Minister of Education. That I need a curriculum review. And a Ghana Education Service. A sure Satana NACA, National for Curriculum and the true must say draft guidelines for CS, are you ready? I would come on NACA. 8 years for in charge of education. Send NACA for a review. Reminder to NACA by the GES on insertion of a phrase into the guidelines for comprehensive sexuality education in Ghana. Exhibit in the home. And 29th April. So what I'm trying to tell you that the work was what? In progress. Cabinet of the Nana Danko Kufado, a review. Your review, that review, then you know. Near friend Professor Jambafo. Me na me education minister, but they manuals they call it. Professor Jambafo, the man in cocaine, cabinet truth, uncle ship. And no year review or buy and or catch a cabinet pool say Sankan we are prepared here. Hasn't seen anything wrong with it. But we have to change certain parts to make it more palatable.
It's Professor Jamba for Susan Yomanamo.
The cabinet instruction. Even that, the second time cabinet are improving. So curriculum now you're running it now. It needs CSC component.
Any biome. Only in time Professor Jacobas.
Because I say, come on, assembly. Yeah, you can't agree. Well, said, well, first thing with a kind, 80 days, second, we get sex education. Can the body park any day?
Yeah.
But people just want to profit where they have not sued. Oh, do no, I don't know that a being well, it's a beckoning here. A beckoning here. Propaganda. I ain't here. Ain't here. But wait a day. I'll see a church.
Only in time for Professor Jacumdi. Or some more Yarabi.
Lack of communication.
Why has it taken you so long since 2019, Napo?
But wait, I did conferences everywhere.
Yes, but you see, for the first time, NFA will change him.
Hire me change.
That and do baby are doing.
You do baby 2019. Me by hire me change.
And
I just went. What do you wait them for free?
Who for free?
Me archives.
So when they say one apo abeka, wait on Cherewa June Eddie Amame. Do you believe say he's lying? And I said that is the honest truth. If you watch in the ego comment section one of Mame, how you PENYAH block media? Aka.